Albert Einstein was a theoretical physicist, one of the founders of theoretical physics, the creator of the theory of relativity, and one of the creators of quantum theory, and a Nobel Prize laureate in physics in 1921. He is considered one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century, and his work had a significant impact on modern physics. The main achievements of the great theoretical physicist, the special theory of relativity, the law of the interrelationship of energy and mass, the theory of Brownian motion, quantum theories of heat capacity and photoelectric effect, the theory of light scattering, and the theory of induced radiation. After graduating from the Zurich Polytechnic in 1900, he worked as a teacher, first in Winterthur and then in Schaffhausen. In 1902, he received a position as an expert at the Federal Patent Office in Bern, where he worked until 1909. During this period, Einstein developed the special theory of relativity and conducted research in statistical physics, Brownian motion, radiation theory, and other fields. In 1913, he was elected a member of the Prussian and Bavarian Academies of Sciences, and in 1914 he moved to Berlin, where he became director of the Physics Institute and professor at the University of Berlin. Einstein was also active in design and invention. His main inventions include a very small voltage meter with Habicht, Paul, and Conrad, a device that automatically determines the exposure time for photography, an original hearing aid, a silent refrigerator with Szilard, and a gyrocompass with G. Anschutz. In 1933, Einstein was forced to leave Germany and, in protest against fascism, renounced his German citizenship and left the academy. He moved to Princeton, USA, where he became a member of the Institute for Advanced Study. During this period, Einstein sought to develop a unified field theory and worked on cosmology. In addition to his scientific work, Albert Einstein is known as a public figure. In the 1930s, he was an honorary advisor to the N. Roerich Museum in New York. He also supported the idea of Kurik Pact. In 1940, he received American citizenship and became an active supporter of the American contribution to World War II. He joined the Atomic Energy Committee, which was developing nuclear weapons for use in the war against Germany and Japan. In 1955, the theoretical physicist's health deteriorated. He wrote a will and told his friends, "I have fulfilled my task on Earth." Albert Einstein died on the 18th of April, 1955. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and like it. See you in the next videos.